What's up guys, welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this today's video we are going to cover what are decorators in Python. So decorators are basically used to print some specific data or specific print statements. It tells what we are going to do inside this function, like so it's like a comment kind of stuff. You can treat it as a. So let's talk about, let's create. I have already created a file like lecture 29. So today, like, I'm going to cover decorators. So for that, like, let's create a function. Let me create a function, def function, and inside that it will take a function, function MB. Inside that, let's create one more function, chalu ye. That kind of stuff, and let's do here, and let me do here a print statement. चालू हो गया. Just do it, and after that let me call this func mb, and after that let me call this print statement खत्म हो गया. Now I have to return this whatever चालू ये. So you can understand this is a decorator I am creating. I have passed this def DEC or decorator, any decorator name I have got. Inside that I am passing a parameter, not a parameter, I am passing a function as a parameter, and then def def chalu exe. I have created another function. Inside that I am printing some chalu ho gaya, print another function name, and then print khatam ho gaya, and then I am returning this whatever you can say, like chalu exe. Now let's create another function. That same function mb. Okay, I have written from, by the way, I think it's right. Let me sencmp. Okay, so what it's going to do, it's going to print this print mb. I'm printing this mb, and for calling these decorators, what I will be doing here, add the rate deck. Simple, add the red deck. Now let's call this function, because we have not called this function. Let me call this function mb, and let's call this function and run this. You can see now I am getting the data. Chalu ho gaya, mb khatam ho gaya. This is how, like, you can use a decorator. What you have to, let's you have to just call add the decorator dec to call the decorator at the top, and you have to just call this function at last. Okay, one more way is, like, what you can do, you can do like this func mb equal to, what you have to write, dec. Inside that you have to pass the function func mb. This way or that way, it doesn't matter. You have to, it will work. It is working as expected. So in this video, like, we cover upon decorators. I hope, like, you understand what I wanted to convey. If I want to just rewind that, what I have done is, in a nutshell, what I have done in this today's video. Like, we have created a def function with dec function, and has a parameter that is a function that is here. Like, you can this function, I don't know why it's getting suggestion. Yeah, this is the function it is taking. Inside that I wrote another function def chalu exe. Inside that I am printing this chalu ho gaya. Inside that, again, that function I am calling this function, and then print. So all it matters, like, if you are printing at the last, so it will come at khatam ho gaya, and after that it prints. It doesn't matter, like, where you are printing. But if you are, it's better to print inside that, because you are telling that the person, whosoever, like, you are telling that what's this code about is started and it's getting ended, so it's better to put it at the between. Okay, and then you have defining that function, and then you are printing. Then after that you are calling that. You can assign it like func mb equal to dec func mb, or directly using this method at the red text. So this video was about decorators. I will meet you in some other video. Till then, bye and take care.